everyone, it's Jennifer from Korea in a Bowl. Today I'm going to share with you where you can shop Korean ingredients in-store and online. Let's get going! I'm going to start by introducing my favorite Korean food store in London. It's called Central Point Food Store and it's near Tottenham Court Road Station. It's a bit small, but you have Uncle Park and Ajashi there to help you with all the questions you might have. The shop has all the essential ingredients to cook your favorite Korean dish, from fresh vegetables, chili powder, soy sauce, kimchi, gochujang, frozen meat and dumplings, you name it. They also have my favorite tteokbokki ingredients as well. The best thing about this place is their delicious pre-made foods like Korean pancakes, fried chicken, marinated meats to take home, and all sorts of banchan, and they're all made in-house. You can also deliver ingredients and food from their in-house restaurant. How lucky is that? So next time, if you're in London buying Korean food, pop by and say hello to Samchon and Ajashi at Central Point Food Store. Next, I visit Soho for this video. They have a few locations in London, which is handy, and in Manchester. It's much bigger and brighter. They sell similar items at Central Point Food Store, but in bigger quantity and more diverse in brands. Just look at the number of instant noodles, sauce, and frozen food space they have. They also had a big selection for K-pop, skincare, and also kitchen equipments. I also found some cute socks and stationeries which I purchased during this visit. I can see why Soho is very popular, especially during the weekends. If you can't visit this shop, why not try their online store, which I have included the link below. Hmark is another Korean shop you can visit in London. They are known to have the biggest Korean food store in New Malden. I've seen many Korean suppliers now selling ingredients over Amazon, so it's worth checking it out. Sainsbury's and Tesco also stores a few Korean items such as gochujang, kimchi, and instant noodle nowadays. Now that you know where to find ingredients, let's get you guys cooking. Until then, see you next time!